From this to this. Let's decorate our living room. Nalagay ko na yung artificial plant natin and let's now continue. Bakit isa lang to? I believe dalawa yung in-order kong ganito. Okay, since ngayon ko lang to in-unbox, ngayon ko lang nakita na kulang pala yung pinadala sa akin. Anyway, we have here 4 pillows and then yung dalawa dito is free na nitong sofa bed. And then meron silang promo na piso sale for 2 corduroy type of fabrics naman for their pillows. So of course, in-avail na rin natin yung kasi sayang naman, piso lang naman siya. Lagay lang natin siya on this side, then on the other side. Sayang lang kasi wala yung throw blanket for this sofa bed. Dito ko siya dapat balak ilagay, pero sige. Ito na muna sa ngayon. So, dito naman tayo sa accent chair. I got a throw blanket na close enough to this color. This is a double size. Iba-iba yung size niya. May queen, may king, may double. Ganda ng texture niya. Stripe siya. And very, very soft, which I love. Meron akong biniling throw pillow since wala pang pillow for this. So, itong throw blanket, tinupi ko lang siya ng isa. This pillow naman here. And then maglagay tayo on this side ng 2 layers side coffee table. Perfect size lang siya. It's not too big. Hindi siya too overwhelming. Sobrang sakto lang siya. So, lagyan natin siya ng mga anik-anik. That's our tulips. Our scented candle will be here. Lalagyan natin ng book dyan. Tapos papatungan natin itong tissue holder. So, that is the current look nung side table natin. Pwede na magpatong dyan ng coffee, ng water, or anything. Grabe yung pawis ko. But let's now, lastly, and finally unbox this carpet that we got from Nitori. And sobrang saya ko dito kasi sobrang ganda ng quality. And this is cheaper than Mandawi. And I'll show you guys. Unpack na natin. Ito yung pinakamalambot nilang carpet and their lightest from the colors that they have. Ang hirap lang ilabas. Paano ba ito ilabas? Kailangan ko lang siya hilahin, di ba? Ito na. Kunti na lang. There. So happy. Latag na natin siya. Yeah. There. Nadyo lang natin siya on this side. Isula natin ng konti on this side. And that's basically it. Natapos ko na rin. Grabe yung pawis ko. But I'm super happy kung ano itsura niya ngayon. Ang kulang na lang natin is yung throw blanket for the sofa bed. So yun lang. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga next home vlogs natin. Bye friends!